New developments now in the case of a baker in Lakewood who refused to make a wedding cake for a gay couple. The baker says that would violate his religious beliefs, and he's asking the State Court of Appeals for help. Our Shaun Boyd live in Lakewood at that bakery with Mobile 4. Shaun, we heard both sides present their case today.
And Jim, they both make compelling arguments. You know, Jack Phillips says he's not opposed to making cakes for gay couples. Birthday cakes, holiday cakes, graduation cakes. It's cakes for gay marriage, he says he can't do based on his religious beliefs. But the ACLU says if you're going to open a business to the public, then you have to offer all services to everyone in the public. The Colorado Court of Appeals, the latest stop in a 3-year legal battle that's tested the boundaries of religious freedom. Jack Phillips says the government can't force him to create something in violation of his religion. And making a cake for a gay marriage, he says, is exactly that.
We still have rights as American citizens to pursue our faith and pursue our free speech rights.
But Charlie Craig and David Mullins say Phillips can't invoke religion as an excuse to discriminate.
But a cake shop is a place open to the public. It is a business, and as such, it is governed by civil laws and not by religious laws.
Craig and Mullins filed a complaint with the Colorado Civil Rights Commission after Phillips refused to make them a wedding cake, citing a state law that bars discrimination based on sexual orientation. They won. Phillips appealed, saying it's not about serving individuals who are gay, but rather expressing a message against his religion.
Look, a government that tells you what you can't say is bad enough. A government that tells you what you must say and what you must create is one that we should all fear.
There's nothing about baking and selling a cake that reflects an endorsement of anyone's marriage. The refusal to make their full menu of services available to gay and lesbian customers is what's discriminatory.
These some of the wedding cakes that Phillips used to make. After the state ordered him to make wedding cakes for everyone, he decided he wouldn't make them for anyone. It's cost him, he says, about 40% of his business. The Colorado Court of Appeals ruling isn't expected for several months, but in the wake of the U.S. Supreme Court ruling legalizing gay marriage, both sides say much is at stake. Marriage equality, just the beginning. This case will also likely land before the High Court. Live in Lakewood, Shaun Boyd, CBS 4 News.